What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, a lot of people are seeing this Bitcoin news and seeing how it reached over 60K. And if you actually look, over my shoulder here, it went down from that 62K mark. Now, I don't know if it did go up higher. I have to check it, but it did come back down and it's at about 60K. And people are wondering, hey, what's going to happen with other coins? You're seeing all of this hype with Bitcoin. What's happening with things like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu and Cardano and all of these other altcoins that we really want to focus on because they have more potential to double, triple, quadruple than something like a Bitcoin does, right? You have a ton of profits that you have from other investments that you have, and you want to put it into different altcoins, but you want to make sure that they're going to grow, that they're ready to blow up. And I'm going to talk about this in this video and give you guys an understanding of where my head is and why I still sink money into altcoins, even though Bitcoin is making a move. But before I get started, make sure you guys hit the like button. Also hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one. Make sure you guys check out some of my other channels as well. I noticed that the last video that I did on cryptocurrency didn't really get as many views. So if you guys want me to continue with these videos, make sure you hit that like button. It does help out the channel a ton because obviously without that growing, then, those videos won't come. So if you guys like this content, hit that like button, comment down below, do it all for the algorithm. But let's talk about this. So we're going to quickly look at this here, and we're going to see right now Bitcoin is at $60,000, right? You could see the total crypto market cap is down about 0.5% over the last day, and Bitcoin's dominance has decreased a little bit by about 0.5%. So you can see that Bitcoin is the reason why the overall market is really coming down. You're seeing basically 0.5% decrease in the overall market, 0.5% decrease in Bitcoin, right? It's 46% of the market, right? That's Bitcoin's dominance. But then we see Ethereum, we see other coins that a lot of people want to focus on. They're like, hey, Bitcoin's moving. Why isn't Ethereum moving? I would at least think Ethereum is supposed to move. Well, the thought process is that the trend has been that Bitcoin has moved a substantial amount and then Ethereum follows. Now, Bitcoin doesn't hold that crazy amount. So when it goes up to 67K or whatever, it doesn't hold that level. And it does end up resisting at some of those levels to where people just say, you know what, I'm accepting any type of profit, and they get out of the position, right? But then you have Ethereum that follows. So Ethereum ends up making that move next. Which will go to somewhere around, $5,000 or so, and maybe resist somewhere around that same height, or it might end up getting a little bit higher because Ethereum is still at a high-ish point compared to some of the points that a lot of people invested in. The point that I invested in the beginning, which was like 2,000, and now it's sitting at about 4,000, as you can see here. But the main thing that people are asking, is, hey, what's going on with Cardano, Dogecoin, Solana, all of these different altcoins that are out there? What's going on with these coins? When are these coins going to blow? Well, like I said, the trend has been Bitcoin has moved, Ethereum has moved, and then you've seen altcoins that have started to blow up and start to eat away at that dominance that Bitcoin does have. And that's exactly what you're going to see over and over and over again. That's really the trend that I'm believing that we are going to see, because the overall altcoin market is not making as big of a move, but eventually it will make a huge move. You'll see a lot of these things end up making a huge move, like Shiba Inu, like Dogecoin, like Solana, like Cardano, all of those that we're hoping to see those large increases of. Currently, when it comes to market cap, Cardano is still number 4. Well, it was number 3 in the past. It was basically above that $100 billion market cap, which is something that a lot of coins want to get to. They strive to get to. But again, this is what it's all about. It's about that wait and hold mentality. If these altcoins end up coming back, they create better buy opportunities for someone like me. If you don't feel they're better buy opportunities, then you can feel that way. But I feel as though they're giving you a low price in order to buy into. And then once the altcoin market starts to run, you're going to see those, double, triple, quadruple very easily because you invested in at the lows versus someone else investing in when the FOMO buying started, right? So I don't think that anybody should really get scared of investing into a position. I still don't think everybody should put all their eggs in one basket. This is why I don't put all my money into Bitcoin. I'll put it into various things. And as you can see with my account, all my accounts, my Coinbase account, my Coinbase Pro account, my Gate.io account, whatever it is, I diversify. I try and split things up and have like $1,000 in each one, and maybe some of them will have 4,000, 5,000, or 2,000 or so, right? But you'll never really see a crazy amount. Like I'm holding 60,000 in one position. That's not the case. I will hold, 5,000 probably at max, unless it does increase to a higher level, then obviously I'm holding more. So anyways, let me know what you guys think about the markets. If you believe this trend as well, that the trend is going to be that Bitcoin ends up moving, Ethereum ends up moving, and then you're going to see altcoins, take off. And when we're going to see that, I think it's probably going to be closer to the end of the year, which obviously we're close to it now. But when we get to closer to the end of the month / beginning of November, we might start seeing some movement. But we're still not seeing that massive jump in Ethereum. And once we see that, then we could start getting ready to see what's going to happen with these altcoins. Anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, make sure you comment down below. Do everything for the algorithm so that, these videos get pushed out there. I do like to talk about crypto, but like I said, if you guys don't want to see it, then I won't do the video. So it obviously, if it gets a lot of views or some views at least, then I'll know that you guys want to see it. So definitely watch the videos. I don't know if you're getting notified. Actually, let me know in the comment section below if you guys are getting notified and that you also watch to the end of the video. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.